Information and communication technology means ICT plays a vital role in today's life. In our daily life, mobiles have become a necessity which is used to perform our everyday tasks. Information technology means IT is one of the world's fastest growing economic activities that has promoted education, governance, medical, business, and almost all the sectors of the country. The information technology enabled services means ITES sector has changed the way how world looks at our country. In this session, we will discuss how IT and ITES has brought changes in our economy. IT is the study, design, and development of computer systems, hardware and software, and networks which are used for obtaining, processing, and distributing data. The field has been growing at a very fast pace over the last few years. Millions of jobs have been created by IT, and hence, today it is essential for everyone to understand what information technology is and how it plays a vital role in every aspect of modern day life. The IT industry has become one of the most robust industries in the world. IT has an increased productivity, particularly in the developed world, and therefore is a key driver of global economic growth. The IT industry can serve as a medium of e-governance as it assures easy accessibility to information. The use of information technology in the service sector improves operational efficiency and adds to transparency. It also serves as a medium of skill formation. Information technology today is essential in ensuring the smooth functioning of all the departments in a company, such as the human resource department, finance department, manufacturing department, and in security related purposes. Information technology that enables the business by improving the quality of service in the information technology enabled services means ITES. ITES provides a range of IT intensive processes and services which include business process outsourcing means BPO and knowledge process outsourcing means KPO, provided from a distant location and delivered over telecom networks. ITES focuses on verticals such as content management, finance and accounts, research and analytics section. Their services are used in various stages, starting from data and workflow management to data warehousing and mining and business intelligence. They also provide customized solution in the field of product management, independent testing, and enterprise applications. E-enabled services reduce costs and improve service standards. ITES includes first customer interaction services, including call center facilities with adequate telecom infrastructure, trained consultants, internet, and other online information infrastructure to provide information and support to customers 24/7. Second, back office operations, data entry, data conversion, including finance and accounting and HR services. Third, transcription or translation services. Fourth, content development or animation or engineering or design and GIS means geographic information system mapping for transport tracking. Last, other services including remote education, data search, market research, network consultancy, and management. Business process outsourcing means BPO services means performing business operations through an outside service provider. BPO has now become a long-term competitive strategy for organizations who want to stay ahead of the competition. It is now possible for a global company to provide added value to its customers without taking the focus of its core business, utilizing the services of an inbound and outbound call center services. The BPO industry is highly organized and provides various kinds of jobs. BPO provides front office customer services such as tech support and back office business functions such as billing. The following are BPO advantages. Business process speed and efficiency are increased. Employees may invest more time in core business strategies. Organizational growth increases. Some of the BPO services are taxation and insurance services, financial and accounting services, e-publishing and web promotion, legal services and content writing, multimedia and design services, document management services, software testing services, and healthcare services. Business Process Management means BPM. It is a discipline in operations management in which people use various methods to discover, model, analyze, measure, improve, optimize, and automate business processes. BPM focuses on improving corporate performance by managing business processes. Any combination of methods used to manage a company's business processes is BPM. In India, IT BPM industry is providing wide range of economic and social benefits, which includes employment opportunities, raising income levels, and promoting exports. The global sourcing market in India continues to grow at a higher pace compared to the IT BPM industry. Indian IT and ITES companies have set up over 1,000 global delivery centers in about 80 countries across the world. The IT BPM industry has almost doubled in terms of revenue and contribution to India's GDP over the last decade. BPO industry is doing fairly well in India because of the following advantages. BPO service providers in India invest in high-tech hardware and software to deliver the best of services. This is done by providing quality checks to ensure error-free and exceptional services. Government of India is supporting BPO services by providing necessary infrastructure and logistical support. And last, BPO industries in itself is highly developed in India, so it is capable of providing various services with good quality. The organizations within the IT BPM industry are categorized along the following parameters: on sector that the organization is serving, on type as well as range of offering the organization provides, on geographic spread of operations, on revenues and size of operations. बोलना पड़ेगा. A broad structure of the industry based on the parameters identified in the Indian context is represented below. First, multinational companies means MNCs. MNC organizations have their headquarters outside India but operate in multiple locations worldwide, including those in India. They serve the external clients, both domestic and global. Second, Indian service providers means ISPs. ISPs are organizations that have started with their operations in India. Most of these organizations have their headquarters in India while having offices at many international locations also. While most have a client base which is global as well as domestic, there are some that have focused on serving only the Indian clients. Third, Global In-House Centers means GIC. Subsectors within the IT BPM industry, GIC, organizations serve the needs of their parent company only and do not serve external clients. This model allows the organization the option to keep IT operations in-house and at the same time take advantage of expanding themselves globally and offering opportunities for innovation in a cost-effective manner. IT is used in many sectors like education, classroom, healthcare, and medical diagnosis, governance, society, business, banking, insurance, marketing, sports, science and engineering, design, military, communication, government, music, research, and in films and televisions. Now we will study some full forms related to IT. First, ICT. It means Information and Communication Technology. Second, IT. It means Information Technology. Third, ITES. It means Information Technology Enabled Services. Fourth, BPO. It means Business Process Outsourcing. Fifth, GIS. It means Geographic Information System. Sixth, BPM. It means Business Process Management. Seventh, MNC. It means multinational companies. Eighth, GIC. It means Global In-House Centers. Ninth, ISP. It means Internet Service Provider. 10th, LMS. It means Learning Management System. 11th, CAT. It means Computerized Axial Tomography Machine. 12th, MRI. It means Magnetic Resonance Imaging Machine. 13th, ECG. It means Electrocardiogram Machine. 14th, EEG. It means Electroencephalography Machine. 15th, G2C. It means Government to Citizens. 16th, G2B. It means Government to Business. 17th, G2G. It means Government to Government. 18th, C2G, it means citizen to government. 19th, B2G, it means business to government. 20th, CAD, it means computer aided design. 21st, MIDI, it means musical instrument digital interface. 22nd, CBE, it means computer based education. Now we will study some full forms related to IT. First, ICT. It means Information and Communication Technology. Second, IT. It means Information Technology. Third, ITES. It means Information Technology Enabled Services. Fourth, BPO, it means business process outsourcing. Fifth, GIS, it means geographic information system. Sixth, BPM, it means business process management. Seventh, MNC, it means multinational companies. Eighth, GIC, it means global in-house centers. Ninth, ISP, it means internet service provider. 10th, LMS, it means learning management system. 11th, CAT, it means computerized axial tomography machine. 12th, MRI, it means magnetic resonance imaging machine. 13th, ECG, it means electrocardiogram machine. 14th, EEG, it means electroencephalography machine. 15th, G2C, it means government to citizens. 16th, G2B, it means government to business. 17th, G2G, it means government to government. 18th, C2G, it means citizen to government. 19th, B2G, it means business to government. 20th, CAD, it means computer aided design. 21st, MIDI, it means musical instrument digital interface. 22nd, CBE, it means computer based education. This is the end of my presentation. Thanks for watching. Guys, my mother has started a podcast. I'm sharing the link of that podcast in the description. Please listen it completely and share it to as many people as possible. Thank you.